In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling text in Wix easily, in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating a website for your personal blog, your business, or a special project, adding scrolling text can elevate the design and keep visitors engaged. So let's dive right in and transform your Wix page with this straightforward guide. First off, you need to access your Wix website editor. Once you have your editor open, it's time to make the magic happen. Let's start by looking for the little plus icon at the left hand side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Click it and a list of options will unfold. Among these, you want to hover over the option labelled Gallery. While still holding your mouse over Gallery, you'll see a secondary list appear. The next step is to hover over Pro Galleries. This is where we'll find the perfect template to work with our scrolling text. Now, with multiple templates visibly laid out for you, select the one that suits your needs the best. This will be the starting point for adding your text efficiently. With your template chosen, the next move is to click on Manage Media, which is an essential part of adjusting the text gallery to your specifications. Once inside the Manage Media interface, you'll have options to organize the content. Use the Select All option to highlight everything currently in the gallery, then swiftly follow it by clicking on Delete. Removing these items will give us a blank canvas to work with. Your next task is to click on Add Media. In this section, go ahead and find and select Text. This capability allows us to insert our custom scrolling text into the empty space. With the text template at your disposal, it's time to creatively edit and add your desired text into the provided field. Take your time to ensure the wording and style perfectly align with your vision for your site. Once your text is ready, you'll want to incorporate it into the gallery. Look for the Add to Gallery button and give it a click. It's that easy. Now that it's added, confirm your changes by clicking on Done. This essentially saves all your alterations and brings you back to your primary editing screen. With the text successfully incorporated, it's time to tweak the display settings. Click on Settings, followed by Layout to adjust how the text appears. Here's where things get interactive. Choose the slider option, then click on the Customize Layout button to modify how visitors will see your text. Activate loop images and turn on the slide automatically function to create a seamless flow. For an uninterrupted experience, select continuous. Then fine-tune the display by examining the slideshow speed. This ensures your text glides at just the right pace. With everything set, give it a preview. Click on preview to see in real time how your scrolling text appears to